Hello, everybody. JD here with the Irrational Trader Market Analysis Daily. In today's video, breaking down another daily arbitrage winner today, and really a great example of the power of the daily arbitrage factor score and our exciting new dashboard that we're developing, soon to be released, soon to be available to the general public. Just really excited about what we're doing here, bringing a tool that to me is a must-have for any trader or investors in advance of the trading day. I calculate a daily arbitrage factor score using 8 different factors that then are compared to where futures are trading and allowing us to triangulate an arbitrage trade that we can pocket some really nice gains each and every day that the market is trading. So for today, really interesting setup in the morning, which is when we calculate our daily arbitrage factor score. About 30 minutes before the market opens, there was an absence of any economic data of significance. Yes, we got some housing data 30 minutes after the market opened, but really that data point pretty irrelevant in terms of its impact on the daily arbitrage factor score. One of the variables of the daily arbitrage factor score is a concept that I am fascinating with, and it specifically relates to wave theory. And when I talk about waves, it really does relate to the concept of surfing. We get these moves in the market, we get these waves that we can ride. Now, we've been on one hell of a tsunami-like uh, wave, a gigantic wave that has propelled certain momentum stocks in the AI space, in the crypto space, in the precious metals space, pushing stocks to truly record highs and nosebleed valuations. There's a reason why many folks are comparing today's period to the late 1990s, uh, because there are similarities, and they're very significant similarities that we have to take seriously. And that data is captured with this concept of wave theory. Now, I am absolutely preparing for the next tsunami. The current wave has dissipated. The current wave has weakened substantially, and the fun in intraday trading utilizing the daily arbitrage factor score is that we can ride the wave up or down with the market. And if you're not prepping to take advantage of the profits that are going to happen when the next correction takes place, you're missing out. I can just flat out tell you that. And it's coming. I don't know if it's happening tomorrow. I don't know if it's happening 2 weeks from now. It may be 2 months from now. I don't know. But I can tell you with 99% certainty that some sort of correction of some significance is on the near term horizon. But that's on the horizon. The daily arbitrage factor score looks at really the next or that very trading day, again, calculated 30 minutes before the market opens. So in today's setup, we had futures showing the S&P up some 50 basis points prior to the market opening, and a daily arbitrage factor score of 0, which suggests a move in the market that is flat. So you have futures at 50 basis points, you have a flat expectation on the daily arbitrage factor score. That's your arbitrage. That's what you're going to exploit. That's what we recommended. A put debit spread on the SPY and hammering that right at the open. Into 5 minutes before the open, you could see that 50 basis points of gains was already coming down, that the sellers were lining up against futures expectations, and the S&P uh, managed to only open higher by about 35 to 45 basis points higher. And again, you could have entered a SPY put spread like we did for just about 50 cents. I did the 665, 664 put debit spread on the SPY using daily expiration options. So, how did the day transpire? Well, not a lot happening. Pretty much a sideways move. In fact, after a little bit of a blip lower, popped up to the back to the 50 basis points level. So the buyers did return. The buy the dippers are going to be a valuable tool for us to exploit this coming wave to the downside, right? You need those buy the dippers to create a mispricing on a daily basis that we can exploit. That hope faded late morning. We got into the early afternoons and we just drifted lower, drifted lower, drifted lower. I locked in a 62% gain on that put debit spread for today. You could have done even better waiting until late afternoon and here's the fascinating point about the daily arbitrage factor score. This tool is very, very reliable in terms of its forecasting, and it suggested a flat move today. And look at this, about 15, 45 minutes before the market closed, we got to exactly at the flat line. I mean, absolutely nailed it, right? I mean, I'm just telling you, that's what happened. That's what the daily arbitrage factor score forecasted. Here's what transpired intraday. And again, when you can see what the market's going to do in advance of it doing it, right? Now, anybody can tell you what's going to happen in hindsight, obviously, but the factor score and this dashboard that we're creating for you all is going to be a game changer. It's going to really, really make you all better traders, and it's going to put money in your pocket ultimately. That's all I have for today, folks. This is JD for the Rational Trader. Again, I'm really excited about the daily arbitrage dashboard. Make sure you're checking out my Telegram channel. That's where I'll be posting the dashboard before the market opens on a daily basis, so you can become acquainted with this extremely valuable tool. This is JD for the Rational Trader. Take care, everybody. Good luck with all of your trading, and I'll see you all tomorrow.